Can you use the Zhiyun Smooth 5 also vertically? Well, let's find out. Hey, what's up guys, Julian from SmartphoneFilmmakingPro.com here, the ultimate online course about smartphone filmmaking. And first of all, before we hop into the topic, I just wanted to say thank you to you all for the super nice comments and the nice response onto the first hands-on review, and also on the comparison between the Smooth 5 and the DJI OM5. It got a ton of views, a ton of likes, and also a ton of comments. So I just wanted to thank you guys for that. And now let's find out if you can use the Zhiyun Smooth 5 also vertically, because actually in my hands-on review I kind of forgot to mention this, because I kind of thought that it's obvious, but it seems like it is not. So let's find out. So as you can see right here, I have balanced it so that I can shoot vertically, and I will now just turn it off. Because something that is different with the Smooth 5 compared to the Smooth Q3 or the DJI OM5 and so on is that you cannot change the orientation just by the press of a button. With the Smooth 5 you actually have to turn the gimbal around manually. So what do I mean? You can see at the back here you have a phone and a circle, and basically you just have to, it works better when the phone is off, but basically you just spin this until it locks in its position. Then you put in your phone. Then you have to again, of course, balance it. Actually, a full video on the balancing process will come very soon, but just for the sake of this video, yeah, that's looking pretty good. And I turn it on now. And now I can shoot with the Zhiyun Smooth 5 in portrait mode. So yes, to answer the question, yes, it does work, but you have to change the orientation manually, or you actually have to spin it physically instead of just pressing a button. That's actually it for this quick little video. In case you want to learn more about smartphone filmmaking, in case you want to step up your smartphone video quality to the next level, you can click the first link below that like button. This will bring you to our totally free webinar. It's 30 minutes long, and inside of the webinar I shared top 5 secrets to shooting cinematic videos with your smartphone. But that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. In case you have not subscribed yet, make sure to do so. This will help out the channel a ton, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.